Today, bonus day. I'm all ready. I'm all packed up and ready to go. I'm gonna go straight down for about hour and 45 minutes, hour and 50, straight south, going to Carlsbad to look at the Carlsbad caves. It's pretty much just a dash towards back towards California. So let's go take a look at the cave. I've been told they're bigger than the one I just went through in Arizona. And then let's draw some conclusion on this 1,200 or 1,500 mile trip with still the return leg to go. But enough of the chit chat, let's get on it.
Anyway, we're here, we're ready to go. I ended up spending 2 days in Roswell because I liked it that much. But I'm ready to leave, so let's get on the road. And let's go see some caves. Hopefully the technical difficulties stop with that, whatever that was. Ooh, brisk this morning. What is it, 20? Today is the first day that I actually see cops out and about. Are stopping cars too. It's been what, 4 or 5 days? That's the first I've seen. Alright. Let's see if I can turn my neck enough. There it is, the vandalized cardboard cut alien spaceship landing. Alright, much better. Let's go! Well, even if the caves are gonna be a letdown, the road to get there, it's pretty nice. Even get motorcycle parking. That's a good start. Time to get changed, put some better shoes on, and in we go.
Now, this is what's going on. It is the usual desert stuff. Some villas over there. Looks like the set of Dusk Till Dawn. Going in, we're going all the way down there. haven't seen anything. It's a black hole. It's dark. Fortunately, I have my Garmin watch. The best watch I've ever bought. I think I see the Chupacabra down there. It's either that or just a rock. Who knows? Alright, take a look. It's fairly steep, cold and dark. I had to put on the jacket. It's kind of cool. Right, the caves were pretty good. I felt like one of the Goonies for a minute. I feel like a Goonie. Some spots were very dark. Could have been lit a little better. But it's time to get back on the road. I'm gonna change first. Let's get going. Alright, the adventure is over. I made it all the way to Roswell and lingered around there for a while and came back to California. What a great trip. I cannot recommend enough to anybody that has a motorcycle that can do some miles to go do one of those. By yourself, with your friends, with whatever you have. That you don't need to have the $2,000 Klim adventure suit or whatever. Just put on what you got and go out. With a caveat, I found that some of my equipment is lacking, relying on a cell phone and on the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to navigate. It's not always the best.
The Android Auto connection failed. For whatever reason, it literally never does.
A dedicated GPS is usually reliable. Because of the heat, my phone would overheat and stop working as a navigator, and that created some scheduling trouble. Eventually I would have made it, but it was annoying and took way more time than it should. Other than that, proper attire for the weather you go to. I was expecting all sorts of weather because I thought I'm going through Flagstaff. Might get cold or something. I had nothing but extreme heat.
It's already a brisk million degrees outside. It's barely 7 a.m. or not even 7 a.m. yet.
I found out that athletic shirts like soccer jerseys are fantastic. My Roma soccer jersey at the end of the day was wicking, wooden sog. It was phenomenal. although I'm physically tired, in the end, does so much for your mental health that I don't know how else to explain it. For all of you out there that ride Ducatis, you might want to do some of this to compensate, rather than just keep buying the next V4 special edition that comes out. I know, little job to my Ducati friends that never do this because, well, they all have street fast boy bikes. Jokes apart, I love it. And every time I come back, I have a new found focus for the important things. I went through extreme heat, extreme wind, which was treacherous, sandstorms. It was lots of wind with a lot of sand. It wasn't quite a sandstorm. I went through some pretty good rain, I have to admit, and all in all, some dirt, a lot of road, and it was fantastic. On that note, thank you very much to my patrons. You guys are the best. And for everybody else, check the links down below for links of the stuff I actually got to use. I brought so much on this trip, and so much got unused. So the stuff I actually used, check the link below. I'm gonna put it down there. And that's it. So dai tutti, and I'll see you next time.